Everyone could use a little fast cash every now and then. While quick and easy money won't make you rich, you can use money earned on the side to cover bills, pay for a big upcoming expense, or even splurge for something you really want in life. Today, I'm going to show you make $10 every minute right now. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way for students to make money online is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quids, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up $5 for some surveys. Paid for searching the web. Interested in earning cash for doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort or change in your behavior. This innovative idea by QME.com, that's QMEE.com, rewards you for searching in Google, Bing, Amazon, Yahoo, and eBay. You just install a simple add-on to your browser, and when you conduct a search, there may be a few sponsored results alongside your normal search. Each QME result has a cash reward attached. If you are interested in it, simply click on it and collect your reward. The best thing is there is no minimum to cash out. Our first one was £72 wired to our PayPal account. You also have the option to donate to charity. Online market trading. While this isn't necessarily an easy way to make money, investing in stock markets can be lucrative if you learn to do it properly and safely. By the same token, you may suffer significant losses if you don't take it seriously. Today, there is no need to fund the yachts of Wolf of Wall Street style stockbrokers. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platforms. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been experimenting with the popular platform eToro.com. eToro has over 12 million users worldwide and offers free practice accounts. It has been featured in the BBC Two documentary Traders, Millions by the Minute, and sponsors several Premier League football clubs. One of the best things on eToro is the Copy Trader feature. This lets you literally see, follow, and copy the investments of your top-performing traders. Start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Bluehost takes less than 20 minutes. Costs hardly anything and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plunging on social media to get your first visits, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. Save the Student is just one example of a successful website, started at university by Owen Barek in his first year, which has since grown into a full-time and sizable enterprise. Review websites and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing User Testing, a platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10 via PayPal. The Disney Vault Secret. To keep demand high across generations, Disney Studios carefully restrict the supply of some home release classics. They are locked away in the vault for 8 to 10 years before being released for a short, unspecified time. Buy them in this window at normal retail price, and you can turn a nifty profit when they go off sale for another decade or so. Write and publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money on Amazon. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device, laptops, iPads, smartphones, and yes, Kindles. So your global market is huge. List your book for £1.49 to £6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember, people are looking to spend. That is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value and write nonfiction. Simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, such as secrets to finding a job, and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format, an ebook, justifies someone spending a few quid on it. Another big tip is to have a great cover design, so it stands out. And once your book is live on the Tyndall store, it's really important to get some reviews so it shows up higher in results. Encourage readers to leave an honest review at the end of your book. The best thing about this lucrative idea is that once you've invested the time, say 20 hours, you'll earn a passive income for years to come. Affiliate marketing. If you got a good presence on social media, or perhaps you even have a blog or website, you can start bringing in money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services, and offers online. Sign up as a publisher on the AWIN network, check their offers blog, or browse the merchant listings to find something you think your friends would be interested in. Grab your affiliate link and share it. If someone buys, can be within up to 90 days, using your link, you'll make a nice commission. Become a click worker. The clickworker.com concept is based on internet crowdsourcing, where businesses advertise specific, scalable tasks they need completing quickly. And for us, it's an easy way to make money fast from home. There are a variety of tasks, but most commonly, they involve mindless data entry, web search, or form filling. You are rewarded and paid in cash via PayPal for the work you do, and you can choose for what and when you work. Claim tax back. Many students work part-time or during the summer months, and others will be on placements or paid internships. More often than not, if you're a student working during the year, you'll be overpaying income tax. Why? Simply because few students reach the personal tax-free income allowance each year, but are put on an emergency basic tax code by their employers, meaning tax is being paid when it shouldn't be. Get cash back when shopping. This is not only a way to make money, but also to save money as a student. If you look at it in a different way, then you are making money with every purchase you would have made anyway, whether it be 50% or 0.5% cash back. There are a number of cashback sites out there which pay you the commission they otherwise would have earned. We recommend signing up with Top Cashback, Quidco.com, and Swagbucks, which are free and offer the best selection of retailers and exclusives. Gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services, known as gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything, from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks and teaching, to creating music, voiceovers, and short video clips for people all around the world. The default price is $5, hence Fiverr, but you can attach extra services to gigs for more money. While it might not seem like much, it can quickly add up, and there are plenty of examples of people making a really good living from the site. The key is to get a system in place which minimizes the time spent on each gig. But there is another way to profit even more from Fiverr for potentially far less work. How? By simply reselling gigs elsewhere. For example, find a decent logo designer, then reply to works on Upwork or even local classifieds. A $5 spend can easily become $50 plus, and it's repeatable. Just check with your designer that they are happy with this. Sell your notes. If you don't mind sharing your notes with other students, it's a great way to generate a little extra cash. There are sites out there that you can upload your notes to, along with your price, and then when another student downloads them, you get paid. Most of these sites like Nexus Notes and Stuvia are free for you to list your notes, but tend to take a cut of your profit in order to handle the marketing, etc., so that you don't have to go out there and promote your notes yourself. You'll most likely have to upload PDFs, but it's worth it for the return, and you can submit handwritten notes, but you're likely to make more money if they're typed up. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.